Dr. Kanimoy Somu, DMK Rajya Sabha MP, joins us now. Thank you, Dr. Somu, for being part of the show. My first question to you, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has lashed out at the centre for the NDA delegation it sent, asking why such a delegation was sent to Karur and not to Manipur or Uttar Pradesh, where the Mahakumbh stampede happened. BJP is saying that the Chief Minister is just indulging in whataboutery and evading responsibility for this crisis.
Good afternoon and good evening, Vasudha, and to the nation. My chief has rightly asked the question at the right time. Why should there be a tea from NDA to the Karur, especially when they have not sent it to Manipur or to the Kumbh Mela, where there have been a lot of mishaps happening? First of all, we have to see this as a very, very untoward incident which should not have happened. And it was not planned the right way. I think it's time somebody takes up accountability for this. Who's going to take up the accountability for this? Number one. Number two, BJP talking so much about the not taking care, the state government not taking care. Let me ask back a question to the BJP. What have they done to Manipur when so many thousands and thousands of women were raped and burned? What was the accountability there the BJP has taken, and what was the accountability there taken in Kumbh Mela by the BJP? One. Next is, they should teach right politics to the youth coming into the Indian politics. I think it's time for BJP to reach out to Vijay and say what is right and what is wrong. See, we had put these kind of SOPs for all the parties who had taken any kind of rallies or any kind of demonstrations or any kind of public meetings or any kind of public addressal which is happening in Tamil Nadu. The same kind of SOPs were also given to the Prime Minister when he visited Tamil Nadu and to the Home Minister when he visited Tamil Nadu. At that time, the same leader of TVK had asked the question, how could you put such kind of SOPs to the President and the Home Minister? But honestly speaking, at that time, the Home Minister or the Prime Minister who had visited Tamil Nadu has really respected the SOPs and taken care of it. When they had taken care of their party, it is time to teach the youth or the youngster or the background coalition, whatever they have between BJP and the TVK, it's time to teach Vijay the right politics and do the right thing. You cannot show cruelty against the people of the country.
But Dr. Somu, DMK is the elected government in Tamil Nadu. Safety of people of the state is the government's responsibility. That's what the court has also hinted today. People are asking questions if the administration knew so much about the crowd, that there are violations. Why not prevent the rally? We saw that in Trichy because Vijay was not allowed to go to Perambalur. As the ruling government, isn't that responsibility on you? Why not take charge as 40 lives have been lost?
I would like to answer this question in two parts. The first part is, number one, the same thing was when an SOP was given to TVK 2 months before, when he started out to reaching out to the public from the first Vikravandi program and Madurai and everything. There were debates in the television channels and the media asking why we are stopping Vijay from going and meeting the people. Why so much of SOPs should be given to them? It is not given only to one particular party. It is a general SOP from any police which comes to all political parties, whether it is DMK, whether it is AIDMK, whether it is BJP, whether it is TVK. We all have all these SOPs and somebody should take up the ownership. Usually it would be the district secretaries who give the letter representing the party who has to take the ownership and who has to take up all the local logistics over there. And this is one such situation where the logistics was supposed to be arranged by that party who is conducting the meeting. Now, the part two answer. Now, during elections, when these kinds of rallies or these kinds of meetings have been taking place and everything, usually all those accounts would be going into the party's expenses. Now, he has conducted a meeting right in the center of the road, which nobody has it. Since they had requested for a meeting, we had given it. Usually, what kind of a meeting arrangements would happen? There would be seating arrangements for the people or the cadres or the fans whatsoever. There would be water supplied. There would be even snacks supplied in some of the political party meetings. And all those logistics will be bared by that political party who is conducting the meeting. Now, who is to take up all these expenses? It cannot be put on the police department. It cannot be put on the government. Why should, for your fame to go on air, another person has to spend is the biggest question which we post over here. and whatever his PR team has arranged, I think the PR team also holds solely responsibility of taking care of all this logistics.
Okay. But my last question to you, Dr. Somu, is, and this question is on what the CM has asked on the NDA delegation going to Karur. Opposition also sends delegations. We have seen that during farmers' protests, even during rape cases. Rahul Gandhi went to Manipur. Isn't it authoritarian to say that parties should not examine in other states as to what went wrong?
No. Our leader has not said it should not have happened. It can happen, provided you people have also put some kind of a delegation to Manipur and Kumbh Mela as the question. See, we are a party with democracy. DMK is always known for it. And we have gone for so many delegations to so many places when such kind of mishaps have happened. So we would not call it an unworthy work of not, no, don't come in. If we wanted, he was the chief minister, he is the chief minister of the state, and he could have stopped it. We never did that. We, of course, welcome them. We let them go. We let them see. We had given protection for whoever has come from Delhi also. It is not that. When you do it for this state, do it for all the people in the country is what the biggest request we are cutting across the party. We are sending message. Be democratic across the country, not only for people who are supporting you. This is all only cornering the 2026 elections, as my chief M.K. Stalin said. It's now elections are around the corner, and Tamil Nadu is really picking up the heat of it. And I think BJP is trying to play politics with whatever mishap has happened on those 41 death toll. I think this is not the time to play politics on the death toll. I think we have to stand with those people and for the country and teach right politics to the youth. Is the need of the hour is what I think, Vasudha.
Well, Dr. Somu there on justifying CM Stalin's statement that NDA sent a delegation only to politicize the matter. But remember, BJP has also rebutted this, saying that it is the duty of a proactive center to send delegations wherever something wrong happens. And that's exactly what the BJP did by formulating this NDA delegation and sending this 8-member team to Karur Stampede to find out what really happened. The Karur Stampede is a sobering reminder that political enthusiasm comes at a cost, but it should never come at the cost of public safety. That's exactly what the court also pointed out. As Tamil Nadu navigates this crisis, the real test, of course, lies not just in rhetoric, but in total reform.